Good morning, everyone. Today, let us learn Vibhagiya Pranayamas. These pranayamas are based on breathing, which helps us to send oxygen to different parts of the body, so that all the body parts get activated, rejuvenated, and they'll become normal. And in brief, these pranayamas are useful in maintaining and controlling BP, blood pressure, sugar, and it is even good for diabetic patients. And even those who have heart problems, these pranayamas are very good. And it has been proven also. And during this particular pathetic pandemic situation for COVID also, these pranayamas are very good, and we can increase our oxygen content. We can increase our body oxygen levels. So this is basically based on breathing techniques. So these pranayamas are very good. So let us start the Vibhagiya pranayamas. So pranayamas are preferred to do with Vajrasana. So those who cannot sit on Vajrasana, they can do comfortably by sitting on chair or sofa, wherever you feel comfortable. So you can do pranayamas using chair or sofas comfortably. Now this pranayamas has a simple technique. First step in pranayamas this is based on breathing. And breathing, there is one rule. First, we need to breathe in. You should breathe in as much as possible, slowly and gradually. Then we need to hold. After breathing, we need to hold like this. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. So this is a cycle. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. So this is the cycle. So this has to be followed for all the pranayamas. Like I'll show you once again. This is very important for all the pranayamas. A cycle of breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. This is one cycle. So like this, for each pranayamas, we need to continue this cycle for 7 times. So this is very important. Okay, now let us start with the Vibhagiya pranayamas. The first one is Kanishta pranayama. So for doing Kanishta pranayama, you should hold like this. See, like this, palm like this. And then hold your palm here, and this palm should be parallel to the earth. So like this, at this position, and your elbow should be parallel to your body, and your backbone should be straight, head should be straight, and your body should be in a relaxed state, and even all body condition should be relaxed state. Okay, so you should enjoy while doing these pranayamas, so for a better effect. So I'll start the first one, Kanishta pranayama. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. This is one cycle. Like this we should do 7 times. So while doing pranayamas, when you breathe out, make sound here so that your vocal cord gets better. So you should make sound like now when you breathe out, just here only, so that your vocal cord, your voice becomes better. Now the second pranayam, Vibhagiya pranayam is Madhyama. To do Madhyama, once again hand should be like this and keep your hands like this, and right hand should be little above of the left, because when you do it, they should not be clash, so they should be easy movement. So you should keep this at this position. Okay, so let us do. Say as I said, breathe in, hold, breathe out and hold. So this is a cycle, and this cycle has to be repeated for 7 times for each pranayam. Okay. It has to be repeated for 7 times. Now the third one is Jeshta Pranayam. To do Jeshta Pranayam, so our hand should be like this, then turn left and keep it like this, back side, then lift your elbows like this as much as you can. Okay, then your chin should touch here, your body. Okay, I'll do it just. So this is the position. So we shall start. Breathe in. Like this. After completing 7 cycles, you should come down like this. So these 3 are Vibhagya pranayamas. The advantages of these pranayamas are, when you do Kanishta pranayam, the body parts from here to down, your legs, foot, so the oxygen will be supplied to these particular parts, so that the cells get activated, rejuvenated and get better. And in Madhyama pranayamas, the oxygen is supplied from this portion to this particular portion, so all the body parts get activated and gets better. And in Jyeshtha pranayam, the head region gets better oxygen and the cells gets activated and rejuvenated and they get better. So these are all Vibhagya pranayamas. Thank you.